Welcome to Techie Housewife. My name is Amy Vishwanatha, and today I am going to be showing you how to connect your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller to your Switch. I know you guys hope this works, but I really hope this works because I'm looking forward to playing Breath of the Wild again without my hand hurting and my thumb going to sleep. So let's get started. The only things we need to do this are the Switch, an 8-bit USB drive, and of course, the PlayStation 5 DualSense controller. What I'm going to do is take that, insert it into the USB port on the Switch. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit this button right here, and there's this little light right here that blinks rapidly. You can't see it right here because of the light. Next, we're going to get our PS5 controller in pairing mode. So what we will do is hold down the logo and the create button for 3 seconds. Once you hold that for 3 seconds, a blue light then blinks rapidly and it's made discoverable, and you'll see it goes solid as soon as they connect. All you have to do is push buttons on each of them. Nothing else. They pair directly together without any other steps. Now that we have that done, we're going to play a game. I'm not sure why that is happening. That's quite interesting. Let me see if there's anything I can do. Let's see what that does. Nothing. Well, it looks like this is a wash. So guess what? I am playing Switch with the PS5 controller. So the problem was the 8-bit USB drive was in need of a firmware update. So all I had to do was download the firmware, plug it into my laptop, and boom, automatically it updated itself. I already have the Switch loaded. You can see it says I am playing. So what I'm going to do is go in and, okay. So we're inside here running around, and I have noticed, oops, let me go pick that up. I have noticed that there's quite a bit of a lag. You'll do something and it won't happen right away, like I'm pushing to run, but it hesitates. Also, the triggers do not work like the controller on the Switch does for this game. There are a few differences. The circle and the X work like the A and the B button, so that's the same. These two buttons, the create and I believe that's the select, but they work similar. I think they're opposite though. One brings up the map and the other brings up your inventory. So let me try with the D-pad. Okay, the D-pad, when you go left, it picks your, like you want the shield, which kind of shield you want. Okay, you push down, you whistle for your horse. You select the weapon with hitting the right, and you select your special bomb when hitting up. So that's the same as what it is on a regular controller for Switch. Now, if let me say I turn this way. I want to turn myself to see, okay, it did do that, but it shoots the arrow at the same time. So there are some little quirks with this, but if you really, really want to play with the PS5 controller, you can. You just have to work out what the differences are and how you can use the controller to play the game you can. I do want to try one thing. Let's go back. I came back to the main menu because I can't just end this video without playing an actual Mario game. Close the software we're using. See, that's working great. Okay, let's go in now. Okay, here we go. B. I'm going to start with the first board. I don't want to look too funny. Okay, I'm starting out with the easy board. This is actually really fun. If you haven't downloaded it, you should go download it. Waiting for all the people. Okay, this is very laggy. Oh my goodness. Okay. I can't move. Okay, I have to use the D-pad. You cannot use the thumbsticks at all for this. And I just died. I did find out that the square button is the Y button. And you have to use the D-pad to play this game. No! Oh, I can't even hold down and jump. Okay, this game is quite glitchy with this controller. As you can see, the controller does work. Certain games you probably will not be able to play. For example, this one right here. It's not very playable, especially if you're competing online with other people. You're most likely going to lose every time. I'm in 35th place. I think you try different games, see which ones work great and which ones don't, and you go from there. It does work with the Switch. If you can figure out the quirkiness of all the controls, then I think you can enjoy it if you don't mind that small lag. If you have any questions, any comments, if you have some secret knowledge that I don't have on how to make this work better, please let me know. Leave them in the comments below. If you've enjoyed what you've seen today, please hit like and subscribe, as well as the little bell button, and you will be notified as soon as any other content is uploaded. And hope you have a safe and great day.